morning, Scots. I'm Lee.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Ian.
Let's get into some announcements for today.
First, the last day to buy a prom bid is tomorrow! Ticket prices are as follows. $65 with an ASB stickers, $70 without. You must be in line by 4:15 p.m. If you have any questions, go to room 15A.
Second, we have early outs starting this Friday, next Friday, and May 26th. Dismissal time will be at 1:18 p.m.
Third, the final food sale is happening on the 18th of May. Bring some cash. Get some food.
Let's go for a commercial break.
It's Teacher Appreciation Week. Wednesday, talk to a teacher to see if you can swim with them. Thursday, verbally thank a teacher. Friday, write a note to a teacher.
We would like to say thank you to all the Highland teachers for this school year.
Enjoy this video titled Highland Teachers.
I'd like to give a shout out to Mr. Wilkie. I've learned a lot of things in his class that usually I wouldn't have learned, and used tools I usually wouldn't have been able to learn. So I appreciate that. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Eric Percio. I would like to thank Mr. Mamaraldo for teaching me math and talking football because you were funny.
I'd like to give a shout out to Miss Cornford. She taught me a lot of history that normally wouldn't be taught in schools.
I want to give a shout out to Miss Herzog. She makes chemistry really fun, and she's probably the best science teacher I've ever had. So thank you, Miss Herzog.
Hi, my name is Juan Garcia, and I'd like to thank Mr. Matney for helping me during Apex. He's the only reason why I'm able to graduate this year, and thank you.
I'd like to thank Mr. T, our new band director. He gave the entire band a lot of opportunities. He encouraged us all the time, and he just made the entire year a fun year. So thank you.
My name is Miguel Garcia, and I want to give a quick shout out to my favorite math teacher and elective teacher, if you think about it, Mr. Neri, because he is my favorite teacher without a doubt for my final year here as my senior year. But yeah, I want to give a shout out to you, Mr. Neri.
Thank you, Mr. Leishman, for being my favorite teacher since freshman year. And this is the end of us. Crezo out. Mr. Leishman, I love you.
Thank you, Ms. Cavitt, for being my favorite teacher at this entire high school.
Thank you, Ms. Cornford, for making your class interesting.
Thank you, Coach Hawkins, for being a good mentor and teaching me new things.
I would like to thank Ms. Lego, my English teacher, as she's always been an extremely supportive teacher. She's always been really good with the students and has always made class interesting and made students ready to learn and always wanting to learn more from her. And she's always just been a great person, and I really admire her and hope I can be like her someday.
I'd like to thank my history teacher, Miss Nelson, for always answering all my questions that I need and always making that class really fun. Even though it was in the morning, you always knew how to start our day. I just appreciate it a lot. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jalen, and I want to give a shout out to my teacher, Mr. Matthews. He's been a good teacher.
Thank you, Mr. McGrath, for being such a great teacher and teaching me how to speak properly in front of a live audience. I appreciate it.
Shout out to Mr. Valdez in period 1. You're so cool.
Hey, my name's Joseph Garcia, and I'd like to give a quick shout out to my junior year chemistry teacher, Miss Bell. She was easily the easiest junior year teacher to get along with.
I'd like to give a thank you to Miss Mercero for being the teacher I can go to for anything.
Shout out to Mrs. Savage, my sophomore year math teacher. You were very nice and I appreciate it a lot.
I just want to thank Miss Martinez for being one of the most kind and caring teachers I've ever had. And thank you for making high school such an enjoyable experience. I love you, Miss Martinez.
I want to say thank you to my sixth-period English teacher, Miss Childress, from junior year for letting me be on my phone while I was doing my assignments. It really helped me get those essays done.
Hi, Miss Cav. I just wanted to stop by and say thank you for being such a great teacher.
You're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you for being a great student.
You're welcome.
I love having you in my class.
I just want to say thank you for being a great teacher. In my freshman year, you made the rest of my school year fun.
Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. That makes me happy.
Although I never had you, I did have you for summer school. So I want to say thank you for being an excellent history teacher.
Oh, my pleasure, Eric. Thank you for being such a wonderful young man and just a great kid. Proud of you, buddy.
Thank you.
Eric Garay, ladies and gentlemen.
So I just want to appreciate you for letting me build stuff, and doing a lot of cool stuff. Thank you.
And I appreciate you guys too.
Thank you.
You got it.